Hey guys, what's up? I am Dustin Dean.
And I'm Shakara.
And today we are going to put a chicken coop in. Right there. We have about, what you think, 50 birds?
About 50 birds.
We have about 50 birds, and we've brought, I think, 40 of them. There's 10 at home we still couldn't catch.
Plus the geese.
The geese I'm saving for last. That's a whole nother vlog right there. And the evil demon possessed Demon 1 and Demon 2 we'll save for last. So this will be really neat. I have my dad with us. He's brought his tools. He's really good. He's really good handyman building stuff. And so we'll be putting in a hen house right there. I think we're doing measurements 16 feet long and 8 feet wide. We'll put in some windows for cross breeze, and it's just going to be neat. It'll give them the room that they need. In the other place, they didn't have enough room.
It was pretty cramped. They need a lot more room for as many birds we have.
Yeah. So, well, I think we said enough.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay. So what we're doing is we're digging our 4 corner posts, and about 1.5 foot down. That way it anchors it down in the ground so the wind don't blow it. Pretty much the reason why. The nice part is I didn't plan this. I had water brought to these trees from our irrigation pipes that you guys have watched Shakara so many times move, and I do move them. It's just not on film. And we put some pipes here and we flooded right here in this area to get these trees. And I wasn't even thinking about digging these holes, so that's really nice. I'll loosen up the soil quite a bit.
It's moist.
It is. That's good. No rocks yet, huh?
Nope. When I hit a rock, I'll quit and let you dig it. I'm learning how to run this camera, and I've got my eye on Shakara here. A little faster, Shakara, make up for what I'm not doing. Back to your hole and start digging.
Oh. Slave driver. What we have here is a pile of cash in the form of wood. It's like 60 2x4s and 17 wafer boards. And then we have an additional 14 2x4s here, and about 8 4x4s. So if you want to make sure it's built extra good, just in case Shakara gets mad at me and I've got to live in it. Right?
Yes.
And no, it's yeah.
I put in a Jeannie Killer from Homestead Corner. She did a drawing. She just hit 100 subscribers, so congratulations to her. So I commented and I won the drawing, so I am so excited. I've been looking forward to this all week. Cute. Got a card. Says thank you for entering our giveaway, Jeannie at Homestead Corner. So thank you, Jeannie, for that.
Is that a picture of her?
No. No.
Oh, sorry. Need my handy dandy survival knife.
So I'm so excited about this. Oh, I get two. She takes bags, grain bags, guys, and she turns them in to the cutest bags I have ever seen. How cool is that?
Oh, that is cool.
So that is probably my new favorite bag right there.
That is neat. You got more than one.
I got more than one.
That is
How
cool.
cute is that? I love them.
That's cool.
So thank you so much, Jeannie from Homestead Corner. I absolutely love the bags. You just made my day. So I'll also put a link in the description so you guys can go check out her channel and also help give her that support, guys. Okay, so what we've got done so far is we've got the front wall, we've got it all framed and that, and then what we did right here on the sides is just to brace it so that the wind doesn't knock it, is we put these right here like that and then just nail them right to there, so that way it'll just kind of help keep it sturdy and we don't run into a problem.
I would say the puppy tried to bury you. You try and get buried by the puppy?